Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2024 Hot Wheels International N case. This case is brought to you by Jcar Diecast. If you go to jcardiecast.com, you'll see a list of factory sealed cases that Jcar's got on the website. This one is actually in the scratch and dent category. I asked Jcar to send over this one since it is nice and bruised and battered here. I got a dented corner here. He does list these on the website. They do come from the Mattel factory, sometimes double taped or damaged in transit. So he gives you a nice little discount and you get to still get a factory sealed case. So without further ado, I have the 2024 International Hot Wheels N case. Let's pop this open and see exactly what we're getting. So we are an N case. Today we have P and Q. We obviously skip over O when it comes to Hot Wheels because O looks too much like the letter or the number 0. So that's why they do that. And then it's just P and Q for the rest of the year. All right, let's get this open and see what's inside. All right. So it seems, I guess it was a little bit ago that we had the M case. So let's refresh our memory of some of these M case cars that are included in the N case. We have the Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. This was an M case holdover from that. As is the Quick Bite, Milk and Cookies, and the Fast Foodie series. Then we also have another M case holdover in the Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint 1966. Next three cars out of the case are the 2016 Ford GT Race. This is new to the N case. I actually collect this casting, so this will be going straight into the casting collection. Great find there. The Hero Hata Mark. Hero Hata Merc from the Rod Squad series. This is an M case holdover as well. New to the case is the BMW M3 Wagon. Look at that. In red now. First recolor was in blue earlier in the year. I actually have that handy. Take a look at that. There's the blue one and the red one. Nice contrast in the colors and in the wheels there. Since I am showing the BMW, I'll also show you the difference in the Hero Hata Mercs. So new recolors on those. As is, when you get towards the end of the year, you get mainly recolors. But there are a few new castings hidden in this case. Speaking of recolors, we have the 67 Chevy C10, the HW Art Car series, in red now. It was like a tan earlier in the year. This red is actually like a matte red, so it's pretty cool if you can. It would be really cool if it didn't have the deco on it, actually, because you would have had a really cool red pickup truck. So that is new to the case. Returning from M cases, the 91 GMC Cyclone, the HW the 90s deco. And new to the case is the recolor of the Porsche 911 Carrera keychain car. So it originally appeared in like an unfinished Zamac. Now we have it in white with a blue bottom. Next three out of the case. The Rapid Pulse in red. I believe this was the M case holdover from there. As is the Ford Performance Supervan 4 HW Green Speed Series in blue. Another M case holdover is the 23 Ram 1500 in blue. That reverse rake on there. Pretty cool car. Next three. Oh, we got a new model. New model alert. The Lamborghini Huracán Sterrato. Probably butchering that name. That's all right for now. It's from the HW Dirt series. So if I'm not mistaken, this the Lamborghini Huracán Sterrato is like an off-road Lamborghini. So that is really cool. Yeah, it looks, I guess you could tell it's a little higher than a normal Lamborghini. So what a cool new model. Add to the NK stash. All right, We got the Batman and Robin Batmobile in blue, MK's holdover there, as is the Toyota GR86 Cup. So, and if you've seen my videos before, I usually mention that when you're looking at a new case, for anybody that's just started collecting out there, the end case, for example here, contains roughly 50% new end case cars between recolors and new models. And then the other half is the prior case, which in this case is the M case. So that's why you see some of the models appear over 2 case codes there. Okay, so we got the proper chopper in blue. This looks like a new to the case recolor. And then the Surfing School Bus in a red and yellow. And then the HW4 Track in like a kind of a dark green. Next 3 cars out of the case. We got the Batman and Robin Batmobile again. The Hot Wheels High in orange. And the HW Fast Transit. And the Dune Daddy. We saw this in the M case. In like a crazy green and pink kind of color. 2 colors I don't think I ever thought I'd see together. All right, next 3 cars. We got the Diora 3. And the infamous Teku Deco. The 92 Dodge Viper RT10. One of my favorite new models. Actually from last year, but still a newer model. This one's in yellow. So only 1 color of that one for the year at least. Okay, and this one looks like a new to the case. The 64 Chevy Chevelle SS in like a light yellow, like a pale yellow metal flake. So I don't recall seeing this color before. It's entirely possible we've seen it, but just can't recall it. The Muscle Mania series. That's a cool color, nonetheless. All right. Oh, we got some of these non-Walmart exclusive Zamex. So the HW Rolling Metal is like basically a non-Walmart exclusive Zamex series. The 49 Drag Merc. That was an MK's holdover. Same as the 67 Ford GT40 Mark IV, or MK4, however you choose to say it. I think this one's new to the case. The Donut Drifter, now in a white, blue, pink, gray, and black sprinkle color scheme. All right, we got the 57 Chevy in a mint green. Another MK's holdover. So a lot of MK's holdovers thus far. Max Steel in green. And another Max Steel in green. All right, almost on the first half. All right, look at this one. I know people are going to be crazy over this one. The Nissan Skyline GTR BCNR 33 recolored in a, looks like, yeah, like a matte silver, matte gray Godzilla deco. So this one, if you remember, was originally in white earlier in the year. Now we see it in a matte gray. So actually a really cool color for this casting. And then the silver and the gold in this Godzilla deco tend to kind of pop off that matte background. I'm not sure if it's capturing that on the camera, but there you go. So that one will be highly sought after. This case should be hitting retail pretty soon. I would say within the next couple of weeks, we'll see it here in the US. The Diora 3 Teku Deco, another MK's holder over there. And the Heavy Hitcher. This looks like a new one. I don't recall seeing the Heavy Hitcher before. Looks like an end case car. All right, last 3 cars before we hit the bottom half of the case. The Ford Performance Supervan 4, the Ravager ST, and the 73 Honda Civic Custom. All 3 MK's holdovers. All right, let's get to the bottom half. See if there's any kind of treasure luck that'll be coming my way. All right. So we have the Mazda MX-3 tuned. So this is the second color of this casting. White there. And then, oh, look at this. This is a nice color for the 87 Audi Quattro from the HW Turbo Series in black. Can't argue with a jet black, silver chrome rim kind of car there. And the 96 Nissan 180SX Type X, the would-be treasure hunt from the M case, Super Treasure Hunt. This is the common variant, of course. Let's get some more cars out of the case here. All right, another Cadillac Project GTP hypercar. Ah, the Hoverstorm is back, right? The HW Dirt Series. It has a dirty base to it. Not my favorite car, but I can appreciate the novelty behind this one. And the Rapid Pulse. We've seen this one in the case already. All right. We have the would-be Super Treasure Hunt, in this case, the Solero GT from the Quarter Mile Heroes. This is obviously not the Super. No real riders. And I think the TH would appear just behind that front fender if it were so. But new car nonetheless. Oh, hey, new casting. Small Bloc from the Tuned series. So what is this? This looks like a Pinewood Derby car or something, right? What is this based off of? Yeah, it doesn't say. I guess this is the international card, so usually the US cards have a little more information on the back and a description, but interesting. It's very, yeah, it's got to be something based off of like a block of wood or something. New casting, though. New model. All right, where did this car come from? Piranha Terror came out of nowhere. This was the M case holdover. All right. Let's see if we can slide into the back here. The next three. All right, so we got the Corvette Stingray, M case holdover, and another Hero Hot on Mark. And look at this. This is one I've been waiting for. So we have the Porsche 911 Rallye from the HW Turbo Series, a brand new casting, done in that kind of martini deco there. No, sorry, not Martini. Rothman's, right? Rothman's Porsche. Kind of a take on that one. The blue and the white, yeah, the red. So kind of Hot Wheels take on that classic livery. Obviously, you can't do Rothman's because of the you can't promote alcohol on a Hot Wheel car. So, all right. Moving on, Ram Chargers 68 Dodge Dart in red. We've seen that in the M case. We've seen the Surfer School Bus already. And we've seen the Piranha Terror HW Megabyte. Getting down in here. All right. Interesting. All right. So we have the 96 Nissan 180SX Type X. That was a would-be Super from the last case. And we have a second. I don't think I've seen a second treasure hunt all year, or second would-be Super treasure hunt all year. But needless to say, we have the common variant again of the Solero GT. So definitely no Super in this case, at least from conventional standards would dictate. But two of those. We have the 63 Studebaker Champ in white. Look at that gloss, like a gloss white. HW Hot Truck Series. This is a cool casting. One that is definitely underappreciated. And, all right, Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. This is the tuned version. We saw this appear in the M case as a new model. The Dune Daddy. I feel like we've got like at least two. Well, we have at least two of those in this case. M case holder. And another one of the BMW M3 wagons from the HW Modified series. New to the N case. Second time in this case. All right. The 16 Bugatti Chiron returns from the M case. Quarter Mile Heroes. Good to have another one of those. 23 Ram 1500. And another one of the Lamborghini Huracán Sterratos. It should be Dirt Series. So I think these, as far as I can tell, all these international cases, they do get 2 of each new model, which is nice. Okay, the King Cuda in red now. So the King of Hearts. I don't remember what the last one was. Maybe it was the Queen of Hearts. It was white earlier in the year. But this one is the King of Hearts. And we got an Ace of Hearts on top there. It should be Art Car Series. I love these playing card decos. Really cool. All right, so that's new, and that's going in the collection. The Ravager ST, another one of those from the M case. The HW 450F. It's got like a snow tire, Zamac body, blue seat, all kinds of colors going on here. HW Extreme Sport Series. All right, getting down to the end of the case here. Oh, I got the Sushi Tutor M case new model holdover. We have another one of these small blocks. And look what we have here. It's the 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. So this is actually an M case car. I did not get it in my M case. So this is new to me for the N case, but it is actually an M case car. So good to have that one. I noticed shortly after the last unboxing video that I was missing that one from the case. All right. The custom 72 Chevy Love LUV, however you choose to say it. Cool kind of gradient blue deco there. I think that's new to the case. And then the Quick Bite again, Milk and Cookies. 67 Ford GT40 Mark IV. Dark green again. And last 3 out of the case. We got the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. Nice there. And the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS in red. So that's a great recolor of that one. It originally appeared in silver earlier in the year. But red is a nice color for an exotic. And another Batmobile. So this makes at least three of the Batman and Robin Batmobile in this case. So we did not get the Super or the regular, unfortunately. I was actually looking forward to hopefully getting the regular, as that was the DeLorean DMC 12. And I collect that casting, so to eBay I go for that one. But thank you again to Jcar Diecast. Thank you so much for sending this case over. Appreciate all the support you've given Orange Truck Diecast and the collectors that follow the blog content for case unboxings. Thank you so much, Jcar Diecast. Jcar Diecast will be at the convention next month if you are going. So look for Jcar Diecast there. And make sure you check out the cases, other factory sealed cases that Jcar has on jcardiecast.com. Look for the full case unboxing here on OTD YouTube. And make sure you check out the full list on OrangeStrikeDiecast.com. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think about this case. Thank you very much.